to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I am Jeanette. I'm trying to figure out how to hold this phone here since that's the only thing right now that I use to record instead of using my camera that's over there. If y'all can see that, it's right there. And I'm gonna be doing like a lot of new things. My eyes allergies are acting up crazy today, even though it's not as cold outside. So yeah, I'm gonna be doing a lot of different things this year. I wasn't sure if I would be able to go ahead and talk to y'all about it before I get started on it, and maybe y'all can get me some idea. Even though I look on to Stephanie, the business person. She's a really amazing person. I'm like watched like a couple of her videos, and it's like I love her already. And but yeah, it's like I know it's been a while since I have not made a video on here, but what I'm going to talk to y'all about is trying to get to the point here. My hair is driving me crazy, so dry and everything. That's the reason why I want to talk about what I want to talk about this thing I want to do this year, and kind of like change my lifestyle in a way. And I've been, y'all, if y'all have been following me, you know that I have been trying to lose weight, but now it's like, it's not about just losing weight. It's mostly about trying to get better, trying to get to feeling better. And that's basically what I want to do. And you know what's funny? It's like what Stephanie was saying. It's like, when you think about losing weight, it doesn't happen. It's like you keep on like gaining weight. And it's like that's what they say. It's when this doesn't work, this, hold on, I'm trying to hold my phone so y'all can see what I'm talking about. When this doesn't work, then this ain't gonna work. And lately, I have been like losing a little bit of weight. I don't know how much I weigh right now, but last time I weighed myself was a couple weeks ago. I was like back at 146, because I was like, at the time I was taking Burdock Root, Marshmallow Root, and I was slacking. I'm not taking them, and usually I know when I stop like taking them or I forget to take them, I notice that the water weight comes back on, and they really help with water weight and a bunch of other stuff. I could probably put them down below, let y'all go look them up and everything. I also do like a lot of researches on these herbal supplements. Allergies are going crazy today because weather. It's like it's humid, and we're about to get some more rain. And but that's another thing I want to talk to you about, with all this crazy shit happening. Let's see here. I am going to be planning to do this keto diet. I want to start doing it like next month, and they say that it takes like 3 months. You have to do it like for 3 months, and I'd be like really want to do this keto diet, but it's like the main issue is my family. They don't know anything about healthy foods, just to be honest here. Even though I do, and sometimes I slip and I eat whatever they eat, and I even know it's not good. So that's why it's like I really, even though I try to also eat like certain foods like baby spinach. I have like a lot of videos of me eating like in a way healthy. I used to always eat or make smoothies. If y'all remember me making smoothies on my channel. And so yeah, I want to do the keto diet. and hope I can be able to get to do the keto diet and or make some smoothies on the keto diet, because I love making smoothies. It's just so easy, you know. Let's see what else. And another thing, I'm gonna throw in this video here where, what was it, 2 weeks ago? Yeah, 2 weeks ago, I got to shoot my babes, actually, it's my babes, AR-15. So I'm gonna throw that in there. So I actually liked shooting it. It was a little different because I actually have a PK Walther, I can't remember. I know it's PK 238, I think, I believe. Yeah, that's like my handgun, and of course I have a weapon conceal carry concealed weapon permit, I think it's called. So I have that, and so now it's like I carry my gun with me, even though sometimes I feel like I don't feel like I am carrying it with me, even though I'm not really used to carrying a gun with me, even though my purse gets really heavy. But yeah, if y'all like to see what my purse looks like now, since now I have a carry concealed purse, carry concealed yeah, purse, then let me know. And I'm gonna be, you know, kind of like new to this thing here, so yeah. That's basically it that I want to share with y'all. There's gonna be just, you know, some new things happening on this channel, and hopefully when I start the keto diets, I mean, if there's anybody that wants to help me, that's great. I mean, that's, you know, I would love some more tips and advice and everything, even though I've watched like tons of Stephanie's videos, and she's like very like on point on what she's talking about with, you know, doing a keto diet and that. And there's just a lot of foods that I love to eat, especially vegetables, which we don't get to hardly eat vegetables. So I'm gonna go ahead and wrap this up before it gets too long, and I hope I get to see y'all in my next video. So I hope y'all having a great day wherever you are. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, so I'm gonna go ahead and go. Got shit to do, you know what I mean? So, alright, see y'all later. Bye.